Hello everyone, welcome to our channel learnWebCoding. My name is Durgesh Sahani and we are creating series of video tutorials for CRUD operation in React using PHP API and MySQL database. So in the last session we have seen how to work on this edit, and in this session I'm going to show you how to work on this delete action. So let's get started. So here we have delete button, and on the delete button I'm going to use on click event, and here we will be calling one function delete user, and into this function we will be passing user.id, the user you wanted to delete. Now let's go ahead and create this function. We can create function here, const delete user equal to, and here we are going to get the user ID. Let's create delete endpoint. So you can use axios dot delete method, and then function, and this function will be coming with the response. Okay, and once the delete is successfully, we can simply log the message whatever coming from the server with the help of response dot data. And finally, once a record got deleted, we have to just refresh the page. So we can call the get users function from the top, but what we have created. And finally here we need a endpoint, so I'm just going to copy the endpoint from here because it will be similar to this edit. Just copy this endpoint and paste it here and just update it to delete, and we are good. The API call. Now let's go ahead into our API and just use another case here, and this time it should be delete colon, and now we are going to get the ID from the URL, and we already worked in the last video where we have find that ID by using this explode method. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. So this should be delete from users where ID equal to this. Okay, and then it will delete, it will bind the parameter delete, execute this statement, and no need to fetch, it will simply delete. Or maybe we can just use this one. I think we can remove this condition because we know that every time the ID should be coming, it is mandatory. We can validate it, but for now I'm just showing it like this only. So delete from users where ID is equal to this, and we are going to get the ID from the path. So this is how we get. Prepare the statement, bind the parameter, execute it. Okay, no need to execute 2 times. Execute it, and if it is executed successfully, update the message record deleted successfully, failed to delete. And our API is also ready now. Now let's go ahead and try what is happening. So let's go ahead and delete the test 5 user from here, and into database also just refresh. So you can see we have 5 records. I'm going to delete this one, and it got deleted. Let's cross verify, and you can see the record got deleted. You can delete all of these records, and all the record from the database also got deleted. Now let's see all the actions at once. So here this is the list which is blank. Let's go ahead and create a new. So this is my first user I have created. Now let's go ahead and edit it. I'm just updating my maybe name and number. Let's see, and as you can see the name, email and number are here, are updated now, and let's try to delete it, and it got deleted also. So this is the very simple example I have shown you guys how to perform CRUD operation on React using PHP API and MySQL database. You can, this is the plain examples, but you can go ahead and play with, you can go for React Bootstrap. So you will be getting all predefined components like table, these forms, what you have here, these buttons, even navigations. Again, you can go for material UI, which is again, let me show you that. UI. So this is the official website, React component library for component library, which you can actually use. And this is having a very large set of component for React. And similarly, one more, React Bootstrap. You can also use this React Bootstrap component, and it is already having a predefined set of component, and with the help of that you can actually create a good looking website very easily. So this is all about this video series, guys. If you like the series, please like the videos. If you have any questions, do let me know into comment sections. And if you wanted to get update about my all videos, then you can subscribe to channel. And thanks again for watching.